Lovely. Okay, let's have a round of applause. Wonderful movie.
Thank you. Thank you.
And what is the best compliment you've received for the film? You know, after its screenings, अभी भी क्या fans के messages आते रहते हैं?
बिल्कुल आते रहते हैं और I feel very lucky that people have acknowledged my work, and especially as a newcomer, when you get so much love, when such big actors also text you that I love your performance, I think that's such a nice feeling. But best compliment मुझे actually shooting के time मिला आशुतोष राणा sir से. There was this very difficult scene that we were doing, and of course a lot of retakes. But the second Umesh sir said ki cut, and Ashutosh sir was like, "Tu to actress ban gayi." So that was the best compliment that I've received.
And also, it's like an acting workshop, isn't it? On sets, when you have Ashutosh Rana, Gulshan Grover, and the ensemble, Mishra ji, Sanjay Mishra is also there. Was it an acting workshop for you?
Every day, every single scene was like, I'm learning something new every second, and working with Gulshan Grover sir, Sanjay Mishra sir, Ashutosh sir, and my co-actor Preet Kamani. I mean, they all have been in this industry for such a long time, and I'm sure working with a newcomer is not that easy, but for me, it was amazing. I feel मैंने इतना सीख लिया जितना कोई मे बी एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप करके भी you can't really get to know until you actually start working.
अच्छा, थोड़ा हम जानना चाहेंगे दिविता की कहानी, दिविता की ही जुबानी. So how did this acting का कीड़ा bite you? How did this creative streak in you come? Was it from school, college? Take us through your childhood and how it led to this.
So when I was a child, my father used to say, अगर कोई भी आपसे पूछे कि आपको क्या बनना है, तो हमेशा कहना मुझे एक business woman बनना है. And for the longest time, I thought कि मैं एक business woman ही बनूंगी. और when I was in 9th grade, something clicked and I was like, मुझे theatre करना है. And I was also learning Kathak dance for a very long time. I've also learned Hindustani classical music. So I feel the creative side of me was always there. And when I started doing theatre, I realized that अगर मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ और अगर मुझे कुछ करना है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ acting ही है. So back in 2021, I was invited to this Lokmat Stylish Awards in Bombay. And I was just sitting somewhere here only, and Mr. Siddharth Malhotra sir, he was performing on the stage, and the anchor randomly asked, is someone interested to, shake a leg with him on the stage? And I was randomly picked. Someone just pointed towards me. And I went on the stage and I was very nervous, came down, I had so much fun with sir. After the awards, Umesh Shukla sir was also sitting in the audience. And he comes up to me and he's like, acting karni hai? And I said, of course karni hai. And then he said, okay, I feel I have this character in my mind and you're like the suitable girl for it. I'll call you and you come for audition. So I was like, okay, because I did not really believe it because it was so random. But 1 week later, he calls me, I go to Mumbai. He does a screen test with me, a look test with me. And everything goes exactly how maybe I also did not plan it. And that's how it began. And I just feel really lucky that this happened.
And the rest is history.
Yes.
So what do you believe? Is it hard work that leads to success? Is it luck? Is it a mix of both?
It's definitely a mix of both. Hard work, smart work, and without luck, I don't think anyone can do anything. That's what I believe. Of course, destiny is something that always comes to play. But hard work के बिना भी आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, और luck के बिना भी अगर आप सब कुछ कर भी लोगे, maybe it just doesn't work out for you.
Also, do you believe theatre gives a great grounding as well? We see so many great actors, they've all come from a theatre background. Is that something you believe gives the groundwork? Because a lot of budding actors are there, I'm sure, in the audience. They'll also be watching you live on TV and digital viewers. So it's nice for them to hear also.
I feel theatre is something that you call like a homework. अगर किसी को real acting करनी है और सीखनी है, theatre is the only place you can do it because there are no retakes. You can't really say कि oh मेरे से गलत हो गया, I'll do it again, because camera acting is still easier. You get chances. In theatre acting, you do not. And theatre teaches you so much about emotions, about how to portray what you actually want to say, and about the voice, the command on your voice, because a theatre is like full of people and you do not have a mic at some places. the throw of your voice, the emotion should be visible to the last person sitting in the theater. And I feel it is your playground. You learn everything there. And then once you've done theater, camera acting becomes very easy.
Now, as you said, your father had told you कि बेटा सबको बोलो business woman बनो. तो जब आपने finally decide किया कि acting ही करना है, तो parents का क्या reaction रहा?
कि acting ही करो if that is your passion. But I still, like, I just launched my first brand by the name of Dejane. It's an Indian attar. In the luxury segment, and I feel like I'm doing both of the things that I always wanted to do. So my parents are really happy.
Amazing. I was just going to get to that. That business to khoon mein hai hi. So are you going to explore that, and you're already doing it? Tell us a bit about that. What led to this? And you know, these days, anyways, there's so much talk about make in India, buy Indian products. So tell us a bit about your brand.
So I've always been a very big fragrance enthusiast, and I wanted to, you know, give India something that maybe India already has. Attar is something which has been in the market since a very long time. Like, it has a full history of being and making its place. But at the same time, I also feel that our generation, they look at attar as something jo purana ho chuka hai, and they look at perfumes as the upcoming thing. So I wanted to reimagine and reintroduce attar, and especially, so my brand is made in Kannauj, which is in Lucknow, and I just wanted to bring out something that, you know, Gen Z would also love to use, but it has always been there. So Dejane is all about that, and the best thing about Dejane is that the word itself means the essence of God. So that's how this happened.
I'm sure you must have studied then the behavior and of Gen Z, how they are on social media. These days it's a buzzword, Gen Z. Tell us a bit about this generation. What are their likes, dislikes? What do they swing towards? Social media trends, or, you know, Swadeshi? क्या है उनका demographic में?
I think ऐसे एक word में explain करना is very hard. I feel we are a mix of everything. I am someone who's a very old romantic Bollywood sort of a person. But yes, I feel Gen Z, in today's world especially, they have a choice of their own, and that is the most important thing. Of course, social media is always about trends and what's going on, but again, there are so many categories of people who maybe are not linked with it, and then there are so many people who just work with what is actually happening on social media, and that's how their psychology also works. But I feel I love Gen Zs. They're amazing at everything they do, and they're bringing so much new things to India. Now the vertical movies are also about to come, and that's also a Gen Z move to happen, because people don't really have so much time to, unfortunately, to go to a theater and watch a 3-hour film. But yes, I feel there's so much new happening and so much new to come.
Okay, let's do a bit of manifesting as well today now. I'm sure there are a lot of potential producers also watching today. We're not going to make you dance like you did in front of Umesh Shukla, but who are some dream filmmakers, some dream co-stars you'd like to work with?
Co-stars would be, I've said this before, and I feel I'm actually manifesting this, but if I get a chance to work with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, so that's going to be a dream come true. And of course, I mean, Hrithik Roshan sir has been my most favorite since I was very young. So these two, and if I talk about a few directors, I know it's going to be really hard, but a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film is something I would always dream for. Yes.
And who, do you have a role model in life? Who is your role model?
My role model will be my dad. Of course, I think it's a very daughter thing also, but how my dad has achieved everything that he has, and still how humble and grounded he is. And I love how people look up to him, how he thinks. I just adore, and really he inspires me every day.
I was going to ask you who the stricter parent was. Clearly it was mom.
Yes, it was mom. Yes, but both of them are quite chill. And that's why I get to become an actor maybe.
Nice. Also, any genres now that you would like to explore, look at next? You've already done a rom-com.
Yeah.
Ab aage kya?
I'm really interested in a thriller film, some action-related film, because इस movie में I learned how to horse ride. He is a horse rider. She's a chef. She's also a mechanic. So while doing all of that, I felt that action भी try कर सकते हैं. But looking forward and moving forward, I really want to do films with social message. Something that, okay, people are coming to watch the film, they're getting entertained, but at the same time, if they take something back in return, there's no harm. So I really want to do a film that tells people about what is actually happening in the nation.
You know, we had another actor, of course, earlier in the day, and she was talking about how she and her now husband are not from the film industry and how their journey was. You're also, again, someone who's come from the outside now, is doing well, and hopefully carving a niche for yourself. How was it for you, you know, breaking in to the industry, being from the outside?
It's different. Not that I've worked with a star kid, but I felt that yes, people do take time to accept you. People do take time to understand that, okay, she is talented. Because there are so many stereotypical thoughts in people's mind today that, you know, are we putting our bets on the right person? Because there's so much at stake when we're shooting for a film. But I also was very, I'm also grateful and lucky that I got a director and a team who actually looked at me for who I am and not that where I come from. So it was hard definitely in the beginning, but once you just show them and once you put in your best, they do respect you for what you have to provide.
Lovely. 5 quick rapid fire questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All-time favorite movie?
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Okay. An actress who you look up to?
Priyanka Chopra.
Okay. If, I know it's a while, but if your autobiography is written one day, what should the title be?
For me, I think Divita Juneja, the business actor, something like that.
Okay. So dono ka mission.
Yes.
All right. Are you a beaches person or a mountains person?
100% beach person.
Okay. And are you a person who likes to read or watch movies?
Watch movies. I'm trying to read, but watching movies easier.
So then what's the last OTT series you binge watched?
Musafir Cafe. Yes, that's something that I really like.
On Netflix, of course. Thank you so much, Divita
Thank you.
Juneja.
Thank
More
you so
power
much.
to you.
Thank
You've
you.
just started, and of course, you're rising star, as we told you today, in your award as well. So many congratulations for the
Thank
journey.
you so much.
And
Thank you.
it's a treat. Thank you for coming down to Delhi all the way for this conclave.